I'm Dr. Sukhvinder Bindra. I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Is it normal to snore every night? No. Occasional snoring is harmless, but if you are snoring every night, that means your airway or air passage is partially blocked. When you get up tired, you are gasping for breath, and your partner complains that you had pauses in the breathing, then definitely it is not normal. So these symptoms should be evaluated into and look for why you have snoring.